You are welcome to this Microsoft Excel function tutorial, how to use your Microsoft Excel function effectively. So we are starting this class, and it's going to be a continuous class in which I'll be exposing you to how to make use of 101 Excel function. So today we are going to be looking at how to make use of date, time, year, month, and day functions. Okay, so now we are going to be starting with the today function. You can get the current date with the today function and the current date and time with the now function. Technically, the now function returns the current date and time, but you can format as time only. Now let's see how you can do that. Okay, when you click one of this cell, and to get your make use of your today function, so you type this, you start with equals to, put today, it can be, it's not case selective, put your bracket and click enter. So this will show you the date. You can format it, okay, as the long date. Then you can vividly see that today's date, showing you today's date, which is 15th of March on Friday 2024. So you have successfully gotten the date, today's date, by using the today function. So the next one is, how do we make use of the get your time? What the function we use? You make use of your now function. Okay, the now function will give you the time. Okay, you can see that presently we are today's time now is 12:41 p.m. So you have done successfully make use of that. So we have make use of the function today and now to obtain our date and the time. So now let's go on as to look at this next step. So we are having different kind of dates here. We have 14th of November 2018, 23rd of April 2012, 20th of February 2000, and the 4th of October 1995. So we can make use of the year function, month function, and the day function to what? To separate this. So if you want to separate this date, which function are you going to use? Now let's start with the year function. To separate it, so you use your year function, okay, this, and you pick your serial number, that is, you pick this row, this cell, which is B9, you pick it. Okay, so you can see clearly that the date on the day, year on this date is 2018. So if you want to do it for other dates, you just drag it down, so the same calculation will be done, and you can see you have gotten the year for this, the 2012, year 2000, and 1995. So let's do it for month too. Make use of the month function. Pick that also, which is B9, the name of the cell. So you see that is 11th. So the 11th month is November. Okay, the same way when you drag this down, you also obtain the month for other dates. So this is 4th, April is 4th. This is the 2nd of the month, 2nd of the year, that's February. This is the 10th, which is October. Okay, now let's do the day. So with the day, which you want to get the day, which day is this date? Okay, which day? So you can see it's on the 14th. So the 14th of November. So you have succeeded in what? In separating this date, the year, the month, and the day. Okay, and we can also bring it together. You can also bring these together. So how do you bring this together? So you use the date function. So you put the year, separate it with comma, put the month, separate it with comma, put the day, then you close the bracket, then you obtain it. So this is showing us that that day is on Wednesday. So you have gotten that. You can also just drag it down. When you drag it down, So this is the number, the date in which you have. So you can also make use of was a formatting in your Excel to make sure that this looks like where you are coming from, look like this. So what will you do? You just highlight this and go to your what, to this number, and click. As you expand this, when you expand it, you have the format. So pick this format. When you pick this format, you click OK. So you see we change it to what you have here. So that is how you obtain, and that is how you make use of your date function, your time function, your year function, month and day function in Excel. Thank you so much.